Students, so again let us start revising some objective type questions. So we'll start from chapter number 1, crop production and management. So your first question is, cutting mature crops manually or by machine is called harvesting, breeding, irrigation or weeding. You can give the right answer and assess yourself how many of question have you done right. Okay. So the answer of question number 1 is harvesting. The process of cutting mature crops manually or by machine is called harvesting. Question number 2. Which of these is not a cereal? Option A, wheat. Option B, maize. Option C, gram. And option D, rice. And the right answer is option C, gram. Among these, gram is not a cereal. Question number 3. Process of separating grains from chaff is option A, threshing, option B, buffering, option C, harvesting, and option D, winnowing. And the right answer is threshing. So process of separating grains from chaff is called threshing. Question number 4. Which of these is not a kharif crop? Option A, maize. Option B, wheat. Option C, rice. And option D, groundnut. And the right answer is option number B, wheat. So among these, wheat is not a kharif crop. Question number 5. Cultivation of vegetable, fruits and flower plants on large scale is known as option A, horticulture, option B, fruticulture, option C, mixed farming, and option D, vegiculture. And the right answer is option A, horticulture. Cultivation of vegetables, fruits and flower plants on large scale is known as horticulture. Question number 6. It's blurry. Let me hold. So question number 6. Which of these nutrients is compost rich in? Option A, potassium, B, organic nutrients, C, nitrogen, and D, phosphorus. And the right answer is option number B, organic nutrients. Among these nutrients, compost rich in organic nutrients. Question number 7. Any plant cultivated in large scale at a large stretch of land is called option A, fiber, option B, crop, option C, cereal, and option D, wheat. And the right answer is option number B, crop. So any plant cultivated on large scale at a large strength of land is called crop. Question number 8. Which of these is not a fungal disease of plants? Option A, wilt. Option B, smut. Option C, rust. And option D, blight of potatoes. And the right answer is option number A, wilt. Among these, wilt is not a fungal disease of plants. Question number 9. Process of loosening and turning the soil is called option A, threshing, option B, fallowing, option C, irrigating, and option D, tilling. And the right answer is option D, tilling. So process of loosening and turning the soil is called tilling. Question number 10. Which of the following is not true about plowing? Option A, it loosens the soil. Option B, it aerated the soil. Option C, it prevents soil erosion. And option D, it allows easy penetration of roots into the soil. And the right answer is option number C, it prevents soil erosion. Plowing does not prevent soil erosion. Question number 11. The science of practicing farming. Option A, cropping. Option B, horticulture. Option C, agriculture. And option D, breeding. And the right answer is option C, agriculture. So the science of practicing farming is known as agriculture. Question number 12. Compost lacks which of the following nutrients? Option A, nitrogen. Option B, potassium. Option C, phosphorus. And option D, all of these. And the right answer is option number D, all of these. Compost lacks all the nutrients given in options. Question number 13. Which of the following is non-cereal crop? Option A, gram. Option B, maize. Option C, wheat. And option D, rice. And the right answer is option number A, that is gram. Among these, gram is a non-cereal crop. Question number 14. Which of the following does not add nutrient to the soil? Option A, manures. Option B, crop rotation. Option C, plowing. And option D, field fallow. And the right answer is option C, plowing. Among these, plowing does not add nutrient to the soil. Question number 15. Which of the following is a plantation crop? Option A, coconut. Option B, mustard. Option C, tapioca. And option D, beetroot. And the right answer is option A, coconut. Among these, coconut is a plantation crop. Okay students, now let us revise chapter number 2. So some objective questions of chapter number 2, microorganism, friends and foe. So let's start. So your first question is, the bacterium lactobacillus is useful in making. Options are cheese, alcohol, cake and all of these. And the right answer is option A, cheese. The bacterium lactobacillus is useful in making cheese. Question number 2. Which two words are synonyms? Option A, microbe and aerobe. Option B, microbe and anaerobe. Option C, microorganism and microbe. And option D, microorganism and pathogen. And the right answer is option C, microorganism and microbe. They both are synonyms. Question number 3. Microorganisms spread through. I hope you all know this answer. Option A, cuts. Option B, air. Option C, water. And option D, all of these. And the right answer is option D. All of the microorganisms spread through all of these given options. Question number 4. Germ theory of disease was established by Robert Koch, option B Robert Brown, option C Robert Hooke, and option D Louis Pasteur. And the right answer is option A Robert Koch. The germ theory of disease was established by Robert Koch. Question number 5. Which of these does not prevent growth of bacteria? Options are sugar, salt, water, and oil. So tell me which one is the right answer. And the right answer is option C, water. So among these, water does not prevent growth of bacteria. Question number 6. Scientists who studies organisms are called option A microorganists, option B microscopist, option C microtypist, and option D microbiologist. And the right answer is option D microbiologist. Scientists who study microorganisms are called microbiologists. Question number 7. Which of the following reproduce only inside the host cell? Very important question. Options are A. Amoeba, bacteria, virus, and fungus. I hope you all know the answer, and the answer is option number C, virus. So among these, virus reproduces only inside a host cell. Question number 8. Microorganisms live as option A, solitary and colonies, option B, only solitary, option C, colonies and complex multicellular forms, and option D, only colonies. And the right answer is option A. Microorganisms live as solitary and colonies. Question number 9. A disease in human being caused by virus is option A, influenza, option B, typhoid, option C, dysentery, and option D, cholera. And the right answer is option A, influenza. So a disease in human being caused by virus is influenza. Question number 10, which is our last question. Microorganisms are option A, heterotrophs, option B, autotrophs and heterotrophs, option C, saprophytes, and option D, autotrophs. And the right answer is option B, autotrophs and heterotrophs. So microorganisms are autotrophs and heterotrophs. I hope you all enjoy this quiz test of chapter number 1 and 2 both, and assess yourselves also. So Be prepared for your first unit examination, which is on, I think, the science exam is on 25th of July. And all the best, all of you, for this, for the first unit exam. Thank you.